presuming we get to the other side of this thing and get going that way, do you want us to light off the edge?
Yeah. Bite me off a little bit of the grass and we'll call this set fire complete.
Okay. So, I think we're planning just to burn out this top square so you guys can get off the road as quickly as you
Yeah,
can.
but when we get going that way, you want us to be carrying fire so you don't have to...
Right.
Okay. Since we kind of got a surplus of resources here, why don't you bump down where the line goes in, because I'm not even sure where it goes in, and just kind of stage there, and we'll catch up to you.
Go ahead, Con. Hey, I'm going to run a little bit of head fire up against these kind of see what it does. We're not going far. We'll follow everybody right here kind of together. I got you.
Katie, Tim.
Go ahead, Sam.
You have some flagging on you. Flag that corner where it goes into the unit, please.
Copy.
Guys, yeah, we burned at South Key where we had that Longleaf, but this is kind of a different stage. That stuff was a lot bigger, and this is the grass stage Longleaf, which is what, you know, this is a couple years old, so and it looks like grass if you're out here looking at it.
How long does it take to get like that?
To get like what?
Like as big as that?
Oh God, 30 years.
Oh wow.
But you know, this will sit like this for a couple years real low, and then they'll have a real big growth spurt, and it'll get like what we saw at South Key, you know, that stuff that was like this tall, and then it's kind of a slow progression. So this, it spends a couple years sending a root down, so that when the fire burns over top of it like this, it doesn't kill it, because it's all the root, you know, all the energy is below the ground. So that's perfectly fine, and that's what we're trying to do here, is to slick off this stuff, and then this doesn't have any competition, so it'll shoot up. So that's kind of the idea behind it. So you guys just gonna turn?
Well, I was talking to Zach about this. We might just stay on the inside and let you pull fire up. We're going to spend a lot of time walking that way, where you could be dragging fire up this way.
Oh, so you want us to carry fire this way then? On this edge?
Yeah.
Oh, I figured you just walk, turn, and go.
That's an option also.
Rebecca, I'm good. You good?
Back, Karen. Jared, go ahead. Hey, not giving me the go ahead, so I'm ready to start here. I'll do that.
Katie, Tim.
Go ahead, Tim.
fire down the line with us. And that's kind of the plan, I think, for now.
Copy that.
But if we light this in here, this obviously will burn a lot better. And this is generating so much heat that when we light this, it'll pull in that way. So see how we're getting the wind pulling in? That's not the wind, that's the fire. It's the fire pulling it in, which is good. I mean, that's what we want. That's why we kind of want to light here, but we want all the heat out there to pull it off. All right, well, I think we will pull fire down to the corner, or you will pull fire down to the corner.
So on this side of the ditch or on this side? Or maybe like
I don't think it matters. I don't think it matters now. So I think we've got enough fuel here to keep going. Oh. Zach, Tim.
Go ahead, Tim.
Okay, we're gonna pick up where you guys turned then and go down to the corner with the fire. Is that what you want?
That's fine.
Okay. Okay, we don't want to necessarily pull it the whole way to our line.
yeah, that'd be kind of close.
So, you know, what we want to, this is good. You know, we'll let this kind of take a swath this way.
Matt Klein, John.
And we'll let that burn down, and then we can start
Everything
going.
looks great on our side. We're slowly meandering down there.
And it's going to be wetter down here and probably lesser, crappier fuels. Take it. So we got this kind of wet area here. So maybe take another strip up through here. Yep. Alrighty, we're just gonna take a stroll down this line, and we can probably, if it's pulling off really well, put 2 people with torches, so you know, have Brooke and Maggie just kind of stagger out and just kind of, and I think this is going to be fine. It's a lot of green, and I think it'll hold fine.
Okay.
So
Sounds good to me. I'm gonna grab a torch and a pack on.
and whoever wants to be on the inside, one of you right on the line here, and then another one the next you probably 20 yards deep, and this is kind of ziggy zaggy, so we're just gonna have to kind of parallel as we go. Yeah, keep her
I'll be behind you.
yeah. So you know, we're gonna get winds probably more this way because of the tree line, so just be heads up of where the fire is and where their fire is. So
They made it to the tree line?
yep, so we need to get caught up. So you can give us a little buffer here, Brooke, if you would. All right, we're starting to pull fire in the corner down that north-south line.
Copy that. Copy that. Let me know when you get back to your line how far south to go. I copy.
Maggie, Tim.
Copy.
Well, I need you to walk down that tree line back out to the line before Brooke ties it in. So just keep in mind where she is and make that turn. Katie, did you copy? Don't go past that tree line and make sure they're both out.
Yep, I copy, Tim.
Good?
It's hot. It's hot.
Yeah, you got this burning, we're basically burning grass and you just got to keep moving.
Deep corners, don't touch grass, it'll burn your ass.
Yeah, don't stop and admire your work. Just keep going. This isn't, if you guys end up at Rappahannock or some of that warm season grass burning up there, it's 3 times as dense and as hot as this.
Wow.
So you really have to keep going.